What's up, YouTubers? Got a 1966 Caprice. I ended up trading my Cadillac for this bad boy here. I still have my 65 Impala that I'm going to be doing a full restoration on. But got this one. Got good meats in the back. Car's not that bad. Only thing I don't really like is these seats. And it's in a column there. I don't know, but I think that belongs to a 65 Impala, not a 66. If I'm wrong, comment me. I would like to know a little bit more about it. Even has the Impala emblem. Still got the headliner and everything. Horn works. But I'm not gonna blow it now. So yeah, not gonna do too much work on this here. Other than maybe replace the motor. The guy told me it was 350 in here, but he didn't know where it's from. So I ended up getting the VIN numbers from here, and come to find out that it's actually 305. It's a 305 motor, somewhere between 88 and 1992, I believe. So I put this in myself because every time I start it, yeah, good old 60s cars. But yep, missing a few things. Runs, drives good. The steering's a little bit loose. Yeah, don't like that. I was driving it like that too. Got over 50 miles per hour. Kind of freaked me out a little bit there. But it looks good right now, but the body is not in 100% tip-top shape. It's going to require a lot of work. I noticed some over here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to see if it'll come up, but up there it goes. Nice little wrinkles, but there's actually Bondo underneath it. I guess the guy that had this doesn't know how to weld, so they little cheapy fix was. Let's see if it'll show it. Those are bolts. I'm sorry, sheet metal screws. And underneath looks real good. Somebody did an okay job with the exhaust, but yeah, look at that. Kind of retarded there, but I can fix that, no problem. The frame looks good. The floors look good. But I don't have the keys with me right now. I would show you the trunk. The trunk is kind of horrendous, but there she is. That's my brother's truck right there. Doing clutch work on that. Friend of mine's Lincoln right here, big silly. My car is in the back. So, but yeah, just letting I know that I don't have the 75 Cadillac no more. My girl loves it. My kids love it. Since I had the Cadillac for over 10 years, kind of got bored with it. Wanted to start something. It's not going to be a full restoration. I'm just going to keep it like this, but I am going to paint it and fix some of the flaws on here. That's for sure. Those wheels got to go. They're 16s. My plan is, see, there's another one. Bondo. Yeah, I think it's underneath here. Yep, it's underneath here too. But I'm planning on maybe putting some 20s on here. 20s by 8s in the front. 20s by 10 in the rear. Deep dish. I got a narrow axle for it, so I was planning to stick it in the 65, but who knows. And I gotta fix this little issue too. I need a fan shroud. I don't like that. Never did, never will. But I'm just gonna keep this video under 10 minutes. Pretty much. Well, yep, that's all she wrote. 66 Caprice. Recorded, it used to have a 327 in it. But that's long gone. Well, I can tell you a little bit about the trunk. So, the trunk inside, sorry I don't have the keys with me. But, not in this back area, but towards the front a little bit where it begins to go up. They put sheet metal in there. And they got done putting sheet metal in there, and then they used Bondo to cover it up. But I think this car have been in a rear end collision because the braces that run from back here to up there, just like over there, inside, all the way up, it looked like they cut it and then try to weld it back, but they look like booger welds. It's pretty bad underneath there. I wish I had my keys. I would have actually showed y'all. It's really bad, really bad. So I may have to look at this too as well. Check the deck lid, because I ended up doing a deck lid on that one. So I may have to do one on here, judging from here. So I know I'm into a little surprise going on here. But you'll be seeing updates on this, so I'll be trying to keep it. I was gonna get rid of this, but I mean, I want to try to keep it. If I can't, no problem. I'll just cut this whole section out and put it on a new deck lid if I can. Other than that, she's good and running. Well, my 10 minutes is up. So, thank you for watching this. You'll probably see a little bit more of this. Um, First plan to attack fan shroud. And I got some voodoo wires as well. So I'm going to do the wiring on this whole thing, including the steering wheel correction. But that's about it. Won't keep y'all too long. Y'all have a good one. Bye.